Hi, Kevin, Basic Filmmaker here. I'm with Clermont from LaCie Seagate, and he's got a really cool product I want him to talk about for you guys. Check this thing out. Tell us about it.
Hi everyone, welcome to NAB. So we're on the LaCie booth, and I'm here to talk to you about the Too Big RAID. So the Too Big RAID is a professional solution for all the creative pros who keep using small drives, and they are looking for something that is more powerful but more reliable and more long-lasting. Like we're talking about long-term backup or even archive. And the reason why this product is great for that is because it's RAID. RAID means you got two drives inside that you can pull out. And when you have two drives in a box like this, you can configure them to make them work together. So you got two RAID systems. RAID 0, when you see a big volume and two drives work together, twice the performance. So it's great to have a lot of capacity and performance, but if something happened to the drive, you lose everything. So that's why we also have RAID 1, where the two drives are mirrored. That means they are both copies of each other. So if anything happened to one of the drives, you still have a copy on the other one. So, and this product is really easy to set up. It's just like 3 clicks. It's very self-explanatory. You don't need to have any knowledge about RAID to use that.
3 clicks.
Just 3 clicks, that is good. And the drives inside are really good quality. These are Seagate Unworth Pro drives. They are enterprise class drives. They are meant to run 24/7, 365 days a year. They come with 5-year warranty and 5-year data recovery included. So if anything really terrible happens, we will recover the data for you.
So I'm going along and for some reason my drive drops or something like that. I can get this back to you and you recover all my data.
Yes. Or at least we attempt to recover
attempt,
everything.
yeah. I mean,
but you should get most of it at least, if not everything.
Yeah, I open up the drive and put a razor blade across my drive. Can you recover it?
Yeah. And
don't do that, and no.
Yes. And with the warranty, you will get also a replacement. So you get also new units.
That's awesome.
Yes.
Now these are brand new.
They are brand new. They are literally shipping next week.
Wow.
Yeah.
I've got one of these, a 16 terabyte one that I'm going to review, and it looks really awesome. Prices are awesome. What sizes do they come in?
So to make it easy for people to switch to RAID, we came up with some low capacities. So they come in 4 terabytes, and for people who want more, they also come in 8 and 16 terabytes.
Nice.
And the price points are really good. They start at $439 for the 4 terabyte, and up to $700 for the 16 terabytes.
Cool. Well, stay tuned for the channel. When I get back, I'm going to be taking a look at this drive. Clermont, thank you very much for taking the time. I love this idea because for the lower basic filmmaker type guys, you need to back up your data, and it's been thousands and thousands of dollars to get something affordable. I think this is a real solution. Stay tuned. We'll check it out. Thank you, Clermont.
Thank you very much.
Yes, appreciate it.
Un, deux, bonjour tout le monde.